Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Norah, and today I'm going to be unboxing my ring light. I'm going to be unboxing my new tripod stand, and I'm going to be unboxing my new makeup box. Yeah, I'm so happy, I'm so excited to share this moment with you. So watch me as I do it. Before I've got these things, as when I started my YouTube channel, I've been using a handmade DIY ring light. I'm going to show it to you. Yes, when I had just started my YouTube channel, I used handmade ring light. Actually, my daughter made it for me because she used to use it on her TikTok. I'm going to leave her link down below in the description. But now I'm going to unbox my new tripod stand. I'm going to unbox my big makeup box and my ring light. Yeah, let's go. Let me show you. I used to use my natural light. I used to record during the day. I would sit next to the window or outside. Yeah, I would use all that. But now, so this is what I used to use before. This is just cardboard paper. This is a foil. This is salt tape, and this is a light. We got 2 meters of light, and this is a cable. So this is what I used to use when I'm recording, and this is how it is. It's my daughter who did it, and it has been, so you don't need to have a ring light to be successful on YouTube. Don't feel like, hey, when will I get this ring light? No, you can do this yourself. This is cardboard paper, this is a 2 meter light, and this is a cable. And for the camera, I used to use my iPhone 7 Plus, and all those videos I was using before, the first 3 videos I used my iPhone 7 Plus, and now I got iPhone XR. It's what I'm using at the moment. So you don't have to be, maybe to have a camera or to have a perfect ring light to be successful on YouTube. As long as you have the zeal, determination and passion, and consistency, you can be successful on YouTube. Hey, thank you. Let's do the unboxing. Do I turn the phone? Yeah, like this. Just press here and it's that flexible. Yeah, easy recording. It's a try. You can order it or from any Apple store. You can surely get it. Yes. So now it's time for me to again unbox my ring light. Yeah.
I crave your silhouette more than a little bit. You plan on making me wet just for the thrill of it. Wasted on you, I have enough for two. Still you have to. Lost in each other's lives, both dancing to the beat. So caught up with the real life, close up into our feet. Wasted on you, I have enough for two. Still you have to.
This right here is my ring light. It turns colors depending on what you want to record. You could turn it to orange or to white. This is my LED ring light. Wow, I wonder what this is for. I think this is for dimming. This button right here is for dimming the light or increasing the light, and this one is for changing. You could change the color to either white or orange. Hey, so this is my ring light right here. Yes, this is my ring light right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hey, now let's go and I show you my new makeup box. Yes, and before we unbox my new makeup box, click the subscribe button now. Yes, and also the bell next to it for notifications every time I post a video. And also you can follow me on Instagram. So I'm now graduating from this small makeup box to this one. Is my big new makeup box. See how I think it will be both my makeup box and my jewelry box because it's too big. I can't fill it up. I don't have a lot of makeup for myself. Yes, and I think I'm going to give this one to my daughter. I'm going to give this one to my daughter. Yes. And this right here is my new makeup box. Yes. I'm also going to leave the telephone number of the guy who sold him this makeup box down in the description below. I'm going to leave the telephone number of the same guy who sold him the ring light in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for moving with me on this journey. I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I am Norah on Instagram. Your girl Norah. Ciao.